Unlock a faster and safer way to bank with Chase by activating Face ID. First things first, open your Chase mobile banking app. If you see an option to sign in with Face ID immediately, tap it. If not, you'll need to sign in the traditional way first. Once you're logged in, we need to navigate to the security settings. Look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, or a profile icon, usually found in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Menu, and then find and select Profile and Settings, or a similar option like Security and Privacy. This is where you'll manage your app's security features. Within the settings, scroll down until you locate the Biometric Login, Face ID, or Touch ID option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Slide that toggle switch to the on position. The app will likely prompt you to confirm your decision and might ask for your password or PIN for verification. This ensures it's really you authorizing the change. Your device will then guide you through enabling Face ID specifically for the Chase app. Follow the on-screen prompts on your phone to allow the Chase app to use your facial recognition. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, the next time you open the Chase app, you'll be greeted with a prompt to use your face to log in instantly. This makes logging in incredibly quick and convenient, while also adding a powerful layer of security to your mobile banking. Quick, easy, and secure. That's the power of Face ID with Chase.